yesterday only I have given that update on the Bitcoin, guys, that the Bitcoin has shown the double breakout, that is from the above that channel it has breakout. And that the channel was above, I have talking about many times that until and unless we are seeing the Bitcoin above 34,200, we are not bullish. And after, if it is breaking that level, then we need to see the Bitcoin above $35,000. And you can see now the Bitcoin is around at above 36,200. So it is a bullish. And the main thing is that it is the Bitcoin is above, it is making the candles above the 200 MA lines on the 4-hour time frame, which is a quite bullish. So the Bitcoin is, guys, as we have talked, that the Bitcoin has breakout from 34,200 to 300. It has breakout, and the next level that we were talking about, the triangle, it has breakout that also. And the Bitcoin is moving above the 200 MA line, that is above the 35,800. It is moving above that. And guys, now the main thing is that we need to focus on the $42,000. I am seeing the Bitcoin around at that area, and at that area we can see a heavy resistance for the Bitcoin around at $42,000. We can see a heavy resistance in the Bitcoin. And after, if it is crossing the $42,000, then we can see a 45,000. But guys, be remember, I have already told many times that it is a temporary bullishness in the Bitcoin. The things is very temporary in the Bitcoin, so just be careful, book your profit on every trades. Don't be in greediness that these coins will give you 100%, 200%, or 100%. Just keep on booking your profit on the every resistance level, because I think after touching the resistance level, that is the previous support levels, they can show the dump again. The Bitcoin can show the dump. So you have to just remain cautious in every trades. If we see for the ICP, guys, ICP has till now have given 58% to 60% profit in the ICP only. Those who have earned profit, they can buy again at dip. And guys, as we have talked in the voice chat, that is the Litecoin and the other coins, we are getting in the getting the profit. Litecoin, and we have earned a huge profit in the memberships. The paid users have also earned a huge profit. And we have earned in the at TLM, it has breakout. GRT we have earned. The Litecoin we have earned. Alice Comp has given approximately 30% profit. BAL we have given, many coins we have given, and they are pumping. And if we talk about for SXP, it has approximately, if we see, SXP has given approximately 15% profit in the SXP. So we have got a very good profit in some coins that we have given in the paid, and in some voice chat also we have earned. So congratulations those who have earned. Just keep booking your profit. Don't miss this short term earnings from the coins. So don't miss, guys, these. Just keep booking the profit. So if I tell you right now, the Bitcoin is showing temporary bullish things, that if we see in the daily time frame is still showing bearish things in the Bitcoin. Don't be in that the Bitcoin is not showing Bitcoin is showing the bullish, that it can come to all time high. It is just a temporary bullish Bitcoin is temporarily bullish because I think we can again see a huge crash in the Bitcoin also. So just keep on booking the profit in the Bitcoin and the altcoins. Because guys, the MA lines, these are suggesting that the next these things, that is the couple of the next month or the end of the July, we can see again dip in the altcoins. So just if we talk about for the MA lines, these can extend. Today only in the Telegram army I have explained all the things in details about the MA lines, how these MA lines will be extended, uh, how this there will be accumulation in the Bitcoin. I have told that around I guess 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. I have told, I have taken, there was a short session in the Telegram army that I have told that thing is very volatile. It will be volatile, some coins will be pumping, but these all coins will be showing the profit till the reaching at the resistance area, which was the previous support for the coins. So just keep on booking the profit in the coins. Some coins are showing breakout things, like BAL has we have bought around at $16 to $17, and it has reached 21. It has reached 21. And if we see more coins, it has more coins are showing breakout. TRX, it is showing that it can reach at 0.7711, but after that it can show a dump. But just the main thing is that we need to be careful. If we see for the Bitcoin dominance, let me see the Bitcoin dominance, where the Bitcoin dominance is heading us. Bitcoin dominance is telling us that, guys, we can see the Bitcoin dominance around at 45.25 level, that I've told in the previous voice chat also. Previous voice chat I've told 45.25 level will be the strong support for the Bitcoin dominance, and if we are not breaking down from that level, then again we can see a dump. So the coins will be we can see a Bitcoin dominance up to 44 level also, because Bitcoin dominance can show a support at 50-day moving average. So it will be a very strong at this level 44.49. So this will be at this area till the end of June, and first week of July there will be a bullish in the altcoins. 4% we can see a dump in the altcoins market, Bitcoin dominance, and altcoins will be bullish. If we see the total market cap, guys, this will be the quick update on the altcoins and the total market cap. If we see the total market cap can touch approximately $890 billion that I have told previously only, that it is the approximately at the height of this triangle. 894 or $888 billion will be the strong resistance for the total market cap of the altcoins. And guys, if we see the total market cap of the coins of the market, it is right now it is at 1.45 trillion, but we can see this market around that the resistance at 1.6 trillion. So 1.6 trillion will be a strong resistance for the total market cap. If we see according to the MA lines, yeah, 1.6 trillion and 1.79 trillion will be the support area for the strongest resistance for the total market. 1.63 trillion and 1.79 trillion will be the total market of the altcoins. So just keep an eye on these levels, will be very strong for us to see the market of the cryptocurrency or cryptocurrency market. So this was the update, guys, small update for the altcoins and the Bitcoin market. If you have missed this analysis, you can see on the YouTube. It will be uploaded soon around at 12 o'clock or 1 a.m. It will be uploaded. If you want to see, you can see that at that time.